Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make the trending video After Last Night by Bruno Mars. So here I've already on CapCut and I want to just go to template and find the After Last Night template, and in here you can see there are so many templates that's using the Bruno Mars song After Last Night, and you can just choose which one that you want to use, but I'm gonna be using this one. And after that you can just click on the use template. So this template has the After Last Night song, but I am going to mute it. So you just click on use template, and in here you can use either photo or videos, but in this case I'm gonna use photo, just a photo, and it will be automatically added for whole clips. And after that just click on next, and here is the final result. You can just wait. Okay, so it does look good with the After Last Night music, but yeah, that's basically how you can create the trending video After Last Night Bruno Mars. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.